Talking about Limelight, let's just go ahead and give Determined his flowers. He passed away at 52 years of age on February 13th. He's best known for the 1995 hit song Kete Drum with Beenie Man himself. His son Romario Runkus, Bennett, confirmed Determined's passing, stating that my father was a great man who overcame hardship and made something of himself. He was the best I could ask for from a father, said Runkus, who is also a roots reggae artist.
Rest in power, Determined each and every time. Kete Drum was I think the third release from Determined, and was the song that was most significant in his career, the one he was definitely most known for. And regardless of the brevity of his life, he's made a significant impact on reggae music. Let's give him a little touch of the Kete Drum.
Yes, I.
Imperial Majesty. Last time lives and reigns and rules. How wonderful it is. And
peace. While I'm balling peace.
Sing along.
Oh, reggae music, peace. Oh, so.
Get that jam, make me hear it sound.
Get that jam and make me come down go.
Get that jam, make me hear it sound.
Shake it tambourine and make it go all crown.
Get that jam, make me hear it sound.
Me with them I go do fi move up Molly crown.
Get that jam, make me hear it rebound.
The music where we love and another fi we hold. When the music hits, brother, you feel no pain at all.
The voice of the man, Determined, right there, alongside Beenie Man with the Kete Drum on the Kete Drum rhythm. That one was produced by Bobby Digital. Big up, rest in peace as well.
One of the biggest dancehall songs of the 1990s, the golden age.
For real. Determined was survived by 3 children, brothers and sisters.
Amazing. Well, it's Reggae Month, everybody, so we want to give some shout-outs to our reggae celebrities. On the 17th, Callie P, Tiana, and Bruce Ruffin are celebrating birthdays.
Yes, indeed. Bob Andy and Horace Andy will celebrate birthdays on the 19th.
And Mother Road, Barbados Queen, Rihanna Fenty will celebrate her birthday on the 20th.
On the 21st, Rankin Roger and Sophia George will celebrate birthdays.
And I know you have a special place in your heart for Danique. Her
Supergirl
birthday is coming up on the 22nd of February, as well as Ross Penko.
And of course, Charlene Davis, she's celebrating a birthday on the 23rd.
Big up Carlene. Okay, on the 24th, Cecile and Baby Sham will be celebrating birthdays, same day.
Wow. That should be a really nice birthday party. Yeah.
Yeah. Some more 90s classics.
Yeah. All right. Meloquent is going to be celebrating his birthday on the 25th.
And don't forget about Kimani Marley on the 26th.
And Sophia Squire is going to be celebrating on the 27th.
Yeah, man. So that's a great lineup of some reggae celebrities and their birthdays. Make sure that you subscribe to the Island Heat Show on our page, as well as, check out some past episodes and catch us on the replay.
That is right. Now, make sure y'all keep it locked each and every Monday. This is the place to be. Do remember, every Tuesday at 7 p.m., right here on APAP as well. All right, tune back in. Our good friend Sharon Thomas is going to be right here, so you want to tune in and keep it locked each and every Tuesday as well. All right, folks, be good. Be good to yourselves. Be good to each other. All right, we're gonna leave with this one. All right. This is the voice of the man Massacre alongside Cranium.
Quick them turn your enemies. The Lord protect me from my friends. I'm ready for me enemies. Everything you do for them. If I don't say I'm bad, and every time you try to teach them, the good thing them go like say you not help them. You give them everything they ask for, and they end up turning back, yeah. No, I know. the place where you reside. Make up the link, I know the deep healing. Once there's willingness with my God, he always reach there. Lost my luck with mankind, just so the pagan sleep.
Island Caribbean APAC Radio. Keep it locked. From yacht to the street.